Ferrari has always treated its V12 flagships as emotional machines, not just performance cars, and the tailor-made version of the Ferrari 12Cilindri takes that philosophy to an entirely new level. Created exclusively for the South Korean market, this one-off Ferrari transforms personalization into something far deeper than paint choices or stitching colors. It becomes a moving piece of art, built to celebrate culture, craftsmanship, and engineering at the same time. Beneath the sculpted bodywork sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, a configuration that is becoming increasingly rare in today's automotive world. The engine produces 830 horsepower and delivers its power to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Ferrari engineered the 12-Cilindri to rev all the way to 9,500 revolutions per minute, creating an experience that is as much about sound and sensation as outright speed. Performance figures are equally impressive, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 2.7 seconds and a top speed exceeding 211 miles per hour. What makes this tailor-made example special is how that performance foundation becomes the canvas for artistic expression. The exterior features a bespoke Yoonseul paint finish inspired by the way sunlight shimmers on water. The color shifts between green and violet with subtle blue highlights depending on the light, blending traditional Korean influences with the modern energy of Seoul. This finish was developed specifically for this car and has never appeared on any other Ferrari. Inside the cabin, craftsmanship reaches a level rarely seen in production vehicles. Korean textile artist Dae Jong reimagined traditional horsehair weaving for the seats, floor, and soft interior surfaces using a newly developed three-dimensional fabric produced by a South Korean company and used in a Ferrari for the first time. Her woven pattern also appears screen-printed on the glass roof, allowing light and shadow to move across the interior. The centerpiece is a hand-woven Mongolian horsehair artwork integrated directly into the dashboard, turning the cockpit into a rolling gallery. Hyun-hee Kim's translucent reinterpretation of traditional Korean forms appears throughout the car, including the Scuderia Ferrari shields, wheel center caps, long Ferrari nameplate, and the prancing horse emblem. Inside, her work continues through a translucent center tunnel and a handmade dedication plate featuring traditional Korean calligraphy. White brake calipers and white shift paddles, inspired by the lacquer work of Taehyun Lee, mark additional Ferrari firsts. Sound artists Grey Code and Ji-in added the final emotional layer by translating the actual sound of the V12 engine into a visual waveform applied to the bodywork using a darker shade of the same transitional paint. This tailor-made Ferrari proves that high performance and deep cultural storytelling can coexist in a single machine.